Okay guys, so now what I'm doing is I'm making the tassel. So I'm just using my nail as a reference and I'm just cutting. And this is how you're going to make the tassels on your jacket. So I already attached the leather. So you're just going to continue to cut until you make it all the way around, all the way around. So I'm using my finger nail as a guide. And I think this is going to be much more cuter. You take an old jacket you have and turn it into something new. So I'm almost, you guys can see, I'm almost making it around to the other part. So you guys can see I connected it. So now I'm just cutting. So that's pretty much what it's looking like. So you're going to continue to cut. So this is how you're going to make the fringe jacket. So you continue to cut. Got to cut all this. I'm going to run out of battery juice, so I'm going to stop it. Just I wanted to show you guys. Continue to cut till you make it all the way through.